Sunday at the shop. Working on my car, getting it ready. Opening night is March 4th at Orange Show Speedway. We are doing some worky work. Gonna do some cutting and some welding and what have you. Foosball's on. We were at Cars and Coffee over at Motorworks. I totally forgot to shoot video because I was too busy chatting. But we was there. Anywho, got some cleaning, got some disassembly. Kinds of fun. Fun. Hey, Donkey. You need to sing, I've been working on the railroad. And then you gotta whack that baby down, right?
Yeah, I gotta whack the brackets up. And hopefully...
That ain't bad.
There's clearance between the hitch. And we might get lucky. I might have to...
That ain't bad for low cost, no cost bumper you scored.
$85 at the junkyard. In
Well,
a couple hours of my time.
you know, the junkyard. Damn, Donkey. You and the sledgehammer.
Oh, me and the grinder. It's always me and the grinder.
You and the grinder. And the sledgehammer.
Years of experience with the grinder. Can't fucking weld, but I can grind.
Hey, you know. Some people can weld and can't grind, so.
I can weld too, but...
Looks good.
Does need to be